represent. That's why me driving the car tint up. No, me not just them. No one apart, me no one link up.
Oh God, so be good to be king in heart.
Oh!
A bitter man. Bitter. Rot them!
Yo!
Rot them!
Yo!
Oh! How much time if you call you? Yes, when me call you, you have to hurry up and tame. Flew or fly. And when me say to come, you have to run out with a jump and break and get up and run come back again. You hear me say, go back out the sound me call you, run come.
Go back out.
Me say, go back out the sound, me say, come here forward. Forward now. After all. Ask your question, what is this name?
Yeah, Jinky, something now, you know.
You chat too much, me ask you anything, don't talk. Speak when you're spoken to. Guess what? Guess what I want this man in? One egg. One more?
Why?
One egg. And how fast every bring come? What make you ask me which color? Brown egg, me a black man, a brown egg me want. Brown egg me need. Yo, do it fast, do it fast. Brown egg, do it fast. What you look for me for? Me a rasta, me no eat egg. So me not go consume me, brother.
So you want?
You chat too much. Go find egg, you come. Egg, egg, egg.
Hold on. Every day this man want egg. And when they do with egg, so? When they do with egg. But me I go catch him. Now one poil to me at the number packet. I go check him and tell him say, I knew egg them will come at town. Watch.
I wonder why boy this a long man with the one egg when me send him out this to go buy from last year. Wait till him come up so. I wonder if you know say me I got a earth. I earth and me run this.
Me, kuya! Quick! Ah, kid. This man I send me go buy egg and free me money that. You don't know say me have one command for all your egg for me.
Yo, sometimes me can't bother, you know. Me can't bother, man. Time from man, me there wait for egg, nervously waiting, you know. Patiently waiting, you know. Yo, sometimes me just can't bother, man. Boy, you ugly, man. Don't do that again. Don't walk up on me so again, brother. Wait! You call me away for you, brother. Wait! What is that egg you look so?
A new type of egg then.
New type of egg?
Yeah.
Look so? Yeah, you look alike, still bossy.
But he nice, eh?
He nice? Yeah, are you custom builder, man? Alright, that's your word, man. That's your word, man. Respect.
Yo,
You
bossy,
see?
me I go over now.
Yeah, man. Take time walk, man.
Me I go look something for you.
Walk over bush, cause me no want nobody see you, cause you're too ugly. Walk over bush. Do me that favor, walk over bush. Let me play. Let me play, man. Have me spare time with me egg.
Yo, brother, you know system here tomato.
Now make sure you subscribe to the boss channel, is it? And go down there so and click the red button there. And make sure you say you click the bell. Invite all of the girl them, no family member, and share to no friend them too. Cause you know we love the crowd, is it? Yeah. We have to show them a video for them watch it. Yeah. A new year. We need to subscriber.